Hello everybody, we have a product in sealant range named Fairseal. Fairseal is a gun grade 2-part polysulfide sealant. The benefits of using Fairseal are: it has excellent weathering characteristics with resistance to rain, snow, heat and ultraviolet light. It is quick curing with low shrinkage. It accommodates continuous and pronounced cyclic movement. It is gun grade sealant for vertical joints. It has excellent adhesion to most common substrates. It is with high resistance to aging influences, physical damage and climatic extremes. It has resistance to petrol, diesel, jet fuel and most other common solvents, and also unaffected by mild acids and alkalis. Fairseal is used for sealing expansion construction joints between structures in building construction like infill panels, metal finishes, and in civil engineering structures like basements, buildings, walls, and brickwork joints, etc. Fairseal is suitable for sealing vertical joints only. Fairseal is a 2-part joint sealant based on liquid polysulfide polymer. It is supplied in 1 kg and 5 kg tins containing a base component and hardener in the correct proportion, which when mixed together cure to form a fairly stiff rubber-like material. When cured, the sealant exhibits excellent adhesion to most surfaces including concrete, glass, aluminium and stainless steel. It is to be used for the highest performance in sealing expansion joints where large movements is anticipated in concrete construction and for joints between diverse construction materials. Fairseal is suitable for sealing vertical joints only. Fairseal has superior joint movement accommodation with strong adhesion to most building materials. It is chemically resistant to water, oils, solvents, etc. Fairseal sealant is supplied as base in a pack and hardener in tin ready for mixing. In order to mix both the compounds thoroughly, it is preferable to use a slow-speed electric mixer with suitable blades or paddles with a speed less than 300 rpm. Ensure thorough mixing is done till a uniform color is obtained. Fairseal is available in big packing of 4.6 kg base and 0.4 kg hardener. It is also available in small packing of 0.92 kg base and 0.08 kg hardener. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.